Ladies and gentlemen, Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. The time now is 40 minutes past the hour of 9 in the morning. And the date today is March 27, 2016. The ground temperature is recorded at 28 degrees Celsius or 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened as a sudden brake may cause you to fall. Do not remove your items from the overhead bins until the aircraft has come to complete stop. Please check areas around you for items you might leave behind. For more information, you may find our best fares and latest promotions at our website, philippineairlines.com. On behalf of Captain Carl Listana and First Officer PJ Umali and the rest of the group, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. The heart of the Filipino. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.
Tama, makarating tayo dun sa ano sabi niya kasi yung mga laki tamang-tama yan ay tamang-tama ay ano, nice with kaya nga ilibig ko sa ano ilagay siya na
본승카 원래 있어야 원 타로 다음 있어야 정원에서 아? 어디도